Welcome to Newfies-Dialer. Today we're going to look at tag replacement in Newfies-Dialer. Tag replacement allows you to customize each message to your contact. For instance, addressing your contact by name or to do appointment reminders. Begin by importing contacts with appropriate data. In this example, we're going to demonstrate sending appointment reminders to your contacts, including a name, time and date for the appointment. First we're going to add a new phone book, then upload our contacts with the data. The import file is a simple comma-separated file which looks like this. Import it and assign the fields you want to use. Click Finish Importing Contact and wait till the import is finished. Here is an example of a contact once it's imported. Note the names of the tags, date appointment and time appointment. We will need these later. Now create your survey. We will make this simple for demonstration purposes. Simply type the message, and where you want to insert the data, use the tag name surrounded by curly braces. Hello, full name. Your appointment is on date appointment at time appointment. When the call is made to your contact, their name and appointment time will be played and will sound like this.
Hello Aaron Collins, your appointment is on July 18, 2018, at 2:30 p.m.
We can now set this up in a campaign, and if voicemail is detected, we can leave the appointment time on the contact's answering machine. Switch voicemail detection to on, always play message, select the intro file and put in the text-to-speech. Tag replacement can also be used in SMS messaging as well. Simply set up a new SMS campaign and write the text as before. Thank you for watching, and please contact us if you have any questions or need support on Newfies-Dialer.